I just got access to ChatGPT Agent Mode officially yesterday. And as part of that, I get 40 prompts per month to use the ChatGPT agent. So I thought, why not share one of those prompts on video and see if there's anything practical that we can actually do with an AI agent. But before we dive in, if you're wondering what exactly is a ChatGPT agent, I got you covered. So ChatGPT agents, they take action for you. They use ChatGPT's own cloud computers to carry out complex, multi-step tasks from start to finish. Basically, it's like giving your to-do list to a virtual assistant. Now, these agents, they run safely in a closed environment, and they have access to two types of browsers. One of those browsers is a visual browser that interacts with websites, and the other is a text browser for fast and lightweight tasks. So the question is can this AI agent actually do something useful? To turn on agent mode in ChatGPT, what you want to do is come down to tools and click on that, and then click on agent mode. From there, you can give it a task and it's going to go immediately to work for you. The prompt that I'm using today, I actually structured inside of Gemini, and I'll have it in the description if you want to check it out. This video isn't really about prompting. This is more about just seeing what the AI agent can do. And so just wanted to preface that, like, if you want that information, it'll be in the description. But I did build a prompt for the agent in Gemini. Before this test, I really wanted something practical. And so practical for me is I've been looking for a new camera lens, and I don't really feel like shopping and trying to figure out what's the most cost efficient. So I'm gonna let my ChatGPT agent do all that for me. So here's exactly what I'm gonna have the agent do. Number one, I'm gonna have it search through multiple websites to find the best, most cost-efficient option to buy a camera lens for my Sony camera. Then I want it to take all that information and compare it. On top of that, I wanted to search the web and see if it can find any kind of coupons or deals or whatever else that it can take into consideration, because this might not always be about the lowest price. You could be able to get coupons or buy one, get one, or whatever it is. So I wanted to take all that into consideration as well. And then finally, I wanted to look at the shipping costs and then take every bit of that information, coupons, price of the merchandise, and then shipping, and build that out into some sort of table and list high to low what it feels is the best deal and give information based off what it found. Now, if you're remotely curious about seeing if this thing actually did anything worthwhile, if you would, please just slam the like button. I'm really trying to get that YouTube algo going. The channel's really slow right now, so if you could hit that like button, it would help me tremendously and hopefully drive this content to other people like you. Okay, so again, if this works, I may never shop manually again. I may not ever price things manually. Who knows? So let's go ahead and run it, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so my ChatGPT agent, it just finished running the task, and I have to say, the results kind of surprised me. Okay, so just want to show you some of the raw output of what ChatGPT did. So first off, it took the AI agent 12 minutes to produce this outcome, right? And then right here is where I just clicked and copied and pasted over into Sheets so that I could organize a little bit better. But you can see everything that it did right here, and even gave links to all the different websites, and again breaks everything down into exactly what my prompt asked it to do. And so to build a sheet like this, I would say would take every bit of probably 20-30 minutes, and it did it in 12 minutes, and I didn't have to do anything. And so for me, I can see where this will genuinely create a lot of value for someone wanting to potentially move to ChatGPT Plus and pay the $20 a month, to where you can easily save an hour, 2 or 3 using an AI agent to do different types of tasks for you, and it be enough value for you to want to get it. So just as a note, I found it interesting when I was watching the video for the ChatGPT agent, it struggled getting any information off Amazon. So when I got my list back and it didn't have Amazon on it, I did go back and look at the video, and it appeared that it's rejecting the ChatGPT agent from entering its website. I'm not sure if that's a design by Amazon or if something's going on that I'm unaware of, but I'm sure OpenAI will, as it gets better with the ChatGPT agent, it'll gain more access to more websites. Okay, now that you've seen the results in ChatGPT, let's take that and throw it over into Google Sheets. Okay, so here's the results that it came back with. As you can see, it came back with really 10 results, because that's what my prompt asked it for. The ones that you're seeing highlighted are ones that I manually put in because I felt it'd be important, and I'm concerned, like, why didn't it put Best Buy? That seems like just you put Best Buy when you're looking for something electronic, right? In regards to everything else though, it's what the agent actually did. And so you can see it went to all these different retailers it pulled the best price, it pulled available coupons, it pulled what the discount codes were available, it looked at the price that after the discount, and then it did the estimated shipping time. So some of it was unknown, free 2-day, most of it was free, some of it cost some money. It even looked at websites where, again, it was used, and it even notates that. So like the most cost efficient one, it notates right here, used lens in excellent condition. And it made notes on each one of these. And so again, I'll have a link to this in the description, but this was all built with the AI agent. Okay, so that's it. That's my first prompt using really the ChatGPT agent. What'd you think about it? Honestly, I think it did a pretty good job. Pretty good, not perfect, but pretty good. Okay, so if you remotely found this video even a little bit useful, maybe think about subscribing to the channel and at least liking the video. And if you want to continue on your journey with me, why not check out this video right here? YouTube seems to think you're gonna like it, which means I think you're gonna like it. Just click it right there and let's keep this thing going.